What's up, family? I was just riding thinking about when I first got started investing, and I was thinking about some of the ways that kept me from investing and what were my concerns, which were, it's laughable now where I am, but I wanted to extend some of those things out to you guys in case you're the new investor or you're on the fence about investing and it's something stopping you. But one of the things that kind of stopped and held me back was I didn't know where to start. That was one. Where do I start in the real estate market? Do I start in the stock market? Do I start in crypto? What area do I start? Where do I start? And then another thing was, how do I get started? You can get started in investing by simply just getting started. And that don't necessarily mean, investing your money. You can invest your time in learning about different nuances of investing, such as finding out about different platforms. Say, for example, crypto. You'll want to research on exchanges, find out how exchanges work. If it's in the stock market, you want to find different brokers, see how those things work. They have several different platforms like Thinkorswim. You got Robinhood, which is a very popular and user-friendly one now, and there's several others. But you figure out how that type of stuff works. It's one way of getting started without any money. Of course, another is research, figuring out how the market works, educated on the economic environment, finding out what's a micro investor versus a macro investor. You want a long-term invest or a short-term invest. Some people do both. Some people just do long-term. It all depends. Those are different things that you can figure out before you even start putting a dime in any market, to familiarize yourself with the market that you want to get involved with. Another thing you can do is get involved with a community of investors, whether that be through X, formerly known as Twitter, or Facebook groups, or TikTok. I would advise be careful because there's a lot of scammers out there. But yeah, get involved with a community of investors that want to do what you're seeking out to do. That way you can stay up on the different things that come with investing. Get involved with financial platforms, news platforms like Yahoo Finance, and different articles that you can read to further educate yourself and get information to have an edge when it's time to invest. And once you feel comfortable enough and you're all educated and you got a community that you follow and you did all the things that you feel comfortable with now, and you got money set aside, start investing. Start with a little bit. And dollar cost average your way into whatever market that you're looking to go into. And just build from there. That's how I started. Started small, learning first, of course, as I'm describing. Once I've learned, I said, okay, I started putting money in different projects, building up the portfolio. In particular, I invest in the stock market. Got different stocks I invest in. And I also got the crypto market that I invest in. As well as some real estate stuff. But I got started. I got the knowledge I needed. Once I got the knowledge I needed and became comfortable in that knowledge, I just started putting action into play and taking on different things and watching the portfolio grow and learning as I go. There was some mistakes along the way, but that's one thing that school teaches you that's not valuable in real life. You get punished for your mistakes in school, but in real life, you actually learn from your mistakes. So mistakes are good. Don't get down on yourself or be afraid to make mistakes in investing, because mistakes will teach you what not to do anymore, like literally. So mistakes are good. Mistakes will happen. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't let that stop you. Just get the ball rolling. That was my message, of my main thought that I wanted to get out there, because I know when I first started investing, it was tough, and I didn't really have anybody to kind of either encourage me or kind of motivate me to push me or point me in the right directions that I needed to be pointed in to get the ball rolling. So that's what I want to be to people, and develop a community where we can come together and share different ideas and thoughts about investing and building wealth. Because I will add, everybody can't be an entrepreneur, but anybody can be an investor. All it takes is to be an investor is some knowledge and some money, capital. An entrepreneur, you got to build a business, you got to get capital to start a business. It's different from investing. So anybody can invest. You can invest and build wealth just investing. Though I'm not saying that's the only thing you should be doing and on your journey to obtain and build wealth. But that's one of them. Should be investing. So until next time, family, if you can get one foot in, you got a chance to win. Peace.